Banyo ya ki kubor bat ki jingtip pila aban subscribe ya ka follow the miles channel. Kaseng Voice of the People Party hauni banai bala dem kaliyo ban penbana ya ki kertong ki jongka ki ban sai khunno hakani ka election MDC ka ban sawan but way na ki kertong ya ka bagaseng kali ibit ban penyakhun kalong ba chanbor mbai uban sai khun na ka modop umladang constituency ka baha popo ka West Giant Hills District nakaliang gani ka channel kala persang ban wat ya ki katto kani kijing tip da ka ba tikna Shapang une urang ba udon menta kumba live pras nem karta but ubasong ubasa ha kasnong Morthot village kabaha papo ka West Giant Hills District une urang ba uliyo ban pendep ya ka jingpule kata Master of Business Administration, Master of Arts MA but Bachelor of Philosophy but ru ya ka Advanced Diploma in Western Music une orang ba udon ru ya ka professional experience kum ha ka administrative and teaching role kata ha Don Bosco Institution ulong kum administrator and teacher ha Springfield Group of School Hyderabad ulong kum u head of department ha Bharti Airtel Foundation ulong kum u senior academic mentor and teachers trainer ha ka social and community work pat ha ka Hills Farmer Union West Giant Hills ulong kum u general secretary Haka Jaintia Mill Union Limited ulangkum u General Secretary, Haka Bakla Clan ulangkum u General Secretary and Assistant Secretary, Haga Regeneration Meghalaya Project ulangkum u Deputy Director, Haka Clear Spice Farmers Producer Company Limited ulangkum u CEO, Batru u Founder, Bat Kiwei De. Uneorang ba udonru ia ka additional role haka basketball coach, accountant, job creation initiative, founding member haka Green and Clean Initiative kumu chairman ulangru kumu club manager but ulangru u professional basketball player but ru kumu musician lani kita ki norway nong put nong tem